welcome to
Eli's Adventures.
Let's go, guys. Today we got a magical surprise for you guys today. We got the coolest thing ever for you guys today, guys. We got. Close your eyes and guess, guys. Guess and comment down below. What do you guys think we have? Come here, let's show them it. We have. The floor is lava. The floor is lava.
Pop, it's lava.
Floor is lava. Danger, danger. Floor is lava. Danger, danger.
Pop, it's lava.
Danger, danger.
What are we waiting for?
Oh, comes with a little spitterucci. You'll need all stones except hot stones.
Here, I don't know what this is for. I don't know what this is for.
That's a spinner.
Guys, remember this is from my birthday?
So we gotta spread out the stones in a random pattern. Go, spread them out. This is the start. So first we gotta start them, guys. This is the start. So we gotta spin this, and whichever color we land on, we gotta go to that one on the floor. And if we fall in the lava and lose. That's the first game we're gonna be playing, okay?
Yeah, this is actually the first one. The first one when we step on them.
And if you step on a question mark, we have to open up the card and you have to do whatever it says.
So if I win on the lava, the floor is lava?
Yeah, the floor, you have to pretend the floor is lava. The floor is lava.
Lava! No. Stranger, the floor.
Stranger, floor is
Lava.
lava.
Stranger,
Floor is lava.
It's lava. Stranger,
So we have all these lava cards, guys. If we can step in a question mark, we have to open this up and read it. And then it says things like twirl like a ballerina 2 times. It also says touch your toes. And it also says a lot of other things, which we'll find out here shortly. So anyways, you have to start here. Step here, you're going first. Eli's up first, guys. Let's see, what do you get in the floor is lava game?
It's lava. Danger.
Oh!
Wow, guys! He's fixing it!
Got it, guys. All right, Eli's turn first. You ready? Step on the green, Eli. 1, 2, 3. You got a red. You got to step on the red without hitting the floor.
Wait,
That's lava.
I'm going to lava.
No! You lost.
Why?
Oh, okay, you didn't lose. Stay there. All right, my turn.
I'm on the floor is lava.
I got yellow.
There's a question mark. There's a question mark.
Eli's turn.
Please a question mark.
Got yellow.
Question mark.
Question mark. Eli got a question mark, guys. Your question mark is touch your toes. You got green. Eli's turn. Green. Oh, is that how you can't touch the lava?
Oh.
Go back. You have to jump to the green.
Who is it? No
Right
green.
there. Put your leg across. Good job. You did it.
It's a question mark.
Question mark. Another question mark for Eli. Jump up and down 3 times without falling off the green. 1, 2, 3. Good job. My turn. You got a question mark again?
Yeah.
Alright. Question mark for you. Read it that one. Stand on one leg. Good job.
I did it. I was about to form the lava.
My turn.
It's stepping on something.
Yellow. Oh no.
It's my turn.
Hold on.
It's my turn.
I did it. Let's try now, guys. Yellow.
Question mark
Question
again.
mark again. Do a squat. Good job. My turn. Yellow. Back here.
My turn.
Let's try it again, guys. Red. Question mark. Tilt your head back and look at the ceiling.
That's one now. Kapow!
Blue. Green. Question mark again.
It's in a packet.
Move to the closest red spot. Another question. Move to the closest blue spot. That's another question. Move to the closest yellow spot.
I was trying to get close to you, Papa.
Gray.
Great. Great!
Hey. Let's try.
Yay!
Great.
Great.
Hey, that's my spot. Hey, that's my spot. Hey, I'm gonna fall in the lava. I'm gonna fall in the lava. Ah, fuck behind you, that's great. Behind you. Ah, I died from that lava. Oh. Round two, guys. Round two.
Oh, and that started.
I'll spin it.
No, I want to speak.
You can't hold them both.
Yes,
All right, go spin. Red.
Red. Going red.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Oh, hi, buddy. How you doing?
I'm chasing.
My turn.
Red.
Red.
Second. There's red over there, you know.
That's okay, over here.
Red again!
My turn.
Yellow. Question mark?
No. Red.
Red.
Oh, you lost. The floor is lava.
Ah! Oh,
You gotta go back to the start now.
oh, yeah, I have to go back to the start. I don't know what to read.
My turn.
Green. Huh?
Mystery.
Question. What do we see? What does it say?
Act like a penguin and waddle your tail. What the heck? Get out of my butt. Get out of my butt. What are you doing? No, spin it. What the heck? Get out, please. I'm not a lava floor. The YouTube turned into a wrestling match.
Ring the bell!
Let's play. Come on. Okay, that's stupid. I said that. That's too that. Whose turn is it?
Oh, you ripped my shirt. What the heck? You put a hole in my stomach. He put a hole in my stomach. His nails put a hole in my stomach. What the hell?
Don't subscribe to Bubba.
He ripped my shirt. What the? Ah! What the heck? My boba! What the heck happened to my shirt?
Oh, me.
I'm wearing a dress.
You can see his belly.
What? I don't have a belly. Get over here.
Guys, we're gonna eat rabbit juice. Come on.
Let's go.
Kapow, kapow. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm sitting in this room. Okay. Well, whose turn is it?
Mine.
No, it's on the room. Bubba, you need to go back to your spot and try and get on the roof. Get on the roof.
That's way too far for me, though.
That's how you do. Jump!
My shirt, Mark. Hey! What the heck? Hey! I got no more shirt left. My shirt's gone. What the heck?
Stop flipping it.
What the heck? Alright guys, who do you think won? Me or Eli?
Awesome.
Comment down below and let us know who won, me or Eli.
Remember the last round. Remember the last round.
Last one.
Alright, that's the last round.
So far. my shirt now. See you guys next time on Eli's Adventures. The floor is lava. The floor is lava.
Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Hey, look at my slinky, look at my slinky. Hey, this is a Princess Pete's Swinky. Look at my slinky, look at my slinky. I'm a stranger, I'm a danger. I'm a stranger, I'm a danger. Ho, ho, ho!